Oh, another 47 emails to sort through, meetings to schedule, and analytics to review. Only if I had a clone. What if I told you the next digital revolution isn't just AI answering your questions, but AI actually solving your problems? Imagine mentioning to your phone, I need to meet with the marketing team next week, and then walking away while everything's getting handled behind the scenes. Today, we're diving into the world of AI agents, technology that's about to transform how we handle everyday tasks. Let me break it down with something we all understand: cooking. Well, kind of. My wife would probably disagree. Traditionally, software is like following a recipe, step by step. One wrong measurement and the meal could be ruined. You're doing all the thinking and taking all the action. AI agents though, they're your personal sous chef. Tell them, make me something Italian, and they'll not only suggest recipes, but actually help you prep the ingredients and monitor cooking times. They just need your approval on some important decisions. Here's where everything changes. Unlike chatbots like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini that just talk, AI agents can actually take action by connecting to your digital world. When your AI agent helps you schedule that marketing meeting, it's not just suggesting times, it's actually checking calendars, sending invites, and gathering relevant documents from your previous meetings. It's the difference between someone giving you the directions to the Super Bowl versus someone actually driving you there. Let me show you what this looks like in the online business world. So 7:30 a.m., your AI notices a gap in your morning schedule and reminds you about that sales report due tomorrow. 7:31 a.m., with your quick approval, it pulls the latest numbers from your CRM, generates visualizations highlighting the month's wins, and formulates everything into a company template. 7:35 a.m., while you're still on your first coffee, you and your team receive a perfectly formatted report with your approval. This isn't just science fiction. Properly configured AI agents using platforms like N8N, Make, and Zapier can perform these workflows today. So what's happening behind the scenes? So there's three key abilities that make AI agents revolutionary. First, they think step by step. When you request that sales report, they break it down, they get the data, they analyze trends, create visuals, format the report, and distribute it. Second, they use specialized tools. Unlike basic chatbots, agents can access your calendar, email, CRM, analytics, and more with your permission, of course. Third, they can reference your knowledge base. Using a technique called retrieval augmented generation, or known as RAG, they pull in context from your documents without memorizing everything. Here's what a well-configured AI agent can already handle: managing your inbox by categorizing, summarizing, and drafting responses to emails, researching topics by gathering information from multiple sources and comprehensive summaries. They can also process data by transforming spreadsheets, generating visualizations, and extracting insights. Coordinating schedules by finding optimal meeting times across team calendars and sending invitations. Creating content by drafting social posts, formatting documents, and generating graphics. But let's be honest, we're not quite at sci-fi levels yet. Today's agents still need clear instructions. They can't read your mind yet. They need human oversight, especially for important decisions. And they also need proper setup, connecting them to tools that require some technical know-how. Think of them as incredibly talented assistants rather than mind-reading wizards. As these technologies evolve from GPT-4 to future iterations, we're approaching a world where we're saying, handle my client onboarding means your AI agent will actually manage the entire process, from welcome emails to scheduling check-ins. The transition from I need to do everything myself to my AI agent can handle that is actually happening right now as these technologies mature. Which brings me to today's question. What specific task would you delegate to an AI agent first? Drop your answer in the comments below. If this breakdown helped you understand the future of AI, productivity, and automation, smash that like button and subscribe for more. In my next video that I'll have linked up here, I'll show you the top AI tools I'm actually using in my business right now, including how I set them up. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.